If your ideal weekend starts with a morning hike and ends with a relaxing evening around the fire pit, then you know the struggle of finding a home that truly offers an expansive outdoor living space without sacrificing the convenience of being close to everything. Here, you get the best of both worlds. You'll have plenty of room to park your RV and enjoy a big backyard, all while being minutes away from the excitement of Emerald Downs, the Outlet Mall, and Muckleshoot Casino. As soon as you walk in, you will love the open floor plan. With over 1,400 square feet of living space, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and a versatile bonus room. So there's plenty of space for everyone to spread out. It's the ultimate base camp for your Pacific Northwest lifestyle, giving you space to breathe without feeling like you're in the middle of nowhere. If you're ready to see this home for yourself, send me a message to schedule your private tour before it's too late.